food first. No, man. Go to the 15-minute though. She fell in love. This is AMD right here. Accumulation. Now it's just about to go back up. Uh, that's what I see. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm-mm. It's been going good, success. It's been going good. I appreciate the ask. Mm-mm. I'm on mute, man. My journey been good. I appreciate you asking. It's been going good. Mm-hmm. Yes, sir. Mm-mm-mm. Bro, I made some. Bro, I made some freaking chicken Alfredo, bro. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. I got a trade in Nas going. I got a trade in gold going. Nas gold, and I got a trade in GBP going. I took a trade on gold last night. Then I re-entered another play, literally at 5:30. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm-mm. This is where I caught my buy on Nas at. Mm. Man. I could just pull it up. Give me 1 second. Since I'm already in these plays, we really just gonna be running levels. Just reevaluating again, running levels. Alright. So I got an entry here. My first entry here. Well, I got a limit. I got a limit order down here. A stop loss right here. I have a entry here. I have an entry here, and another entry, a small entry here. That's what I'm looking at. Okay, I wanna get you. And that's on my Nas play right now. and we just gonna let that sit. I'm targeting 25,000 too. So we just gonna let these plays sit. It could probably be like 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Mm-mm. But yeah, I'm catching Nas back up. I think Nas go back long. Inside my hair, in the kitchen. You can draw this order block how you want. Like you can draw it like that, the double, but that's a lot. And this is on a daily, so at most I would do this for that order block. At most, yeah, yeah. I guess I'd do that. I like that. Mm, I don't even be drawing my order blocks and FVGs out like that for real. I be working. I be working my field. I run my levels now and then when I need them. And yeah, I just run them when I need them. That's how I've been playing. But I've been straight field working, bro. And I'm working all on the daily. The lowest time I go really marking up is my 4 hour. You can execute on a lower time frame, but I'm not marking up my lower time frame. If that's what you do, then go for it. But I'm not marking that up. Okay. Then what I do is here, I run my levels, then I pair it up with my fib, and that's how I get my entries. My bullish order block, okay. My premium, I mean not my premium, but my discounted range is going to be between my 63, or a lot of people like the 618, the 63 and my 88. So even if I just draw that out, look at this. That's still in my order block. Look at that. It even matches up with 50%. But institutions know you waiting for the 50% retracement, so that's why you use your fib as your entry points, because price isn't gonna go to a 50% retracement every single time. So what's gonna happen? You just gonna miss your play. So I enter in. This is my whole entry zone. I set limit orders. Boom, limit order, limit order, limit order, and that's how I catch it. Boom, boom, boom. I'm catching that shit. Stop loss under the 100 or the 113. But in this case, I put stop loss right under 100. I put my stop loss right here. But that's where my stop loss. That's where one of my stop losses are. Right. Boom. The one I entered in right here, I got that stop loss a little bit lower. No, I got it at 653 actually. Yeah, so I still got it right here. Mm-mm. All right, let's go to gold. I've been wanting to mark up. I've been wanting to mark up gold. This is the monthly. Look at all this rejection. We rejected right off the 3500. You can draw your wick box here. Look at all this rejection at the wick box. Yeah. But I don't like looking at the monthly on here. Like, it's just a lot. Like, it's not a lot, but it's not clear. So I'm gonna go to my weekly. Weekly starting to get a little clear. Big old inducement zone. I'm gonna go to my daily. Now my daily I like a lot more. I can see these points. Um, Mark out my order block. Yep. You mark out your order block. We came, retrace at our order block, then we distributed back lower. Then look, okay, we going down. Yeah, this is like inducement here. Okay, so when you got inducement as well, price gonna come and sweep that. So we accumulated, manipulated, distributed back higher, taking out these highs, taking out those highs there. Okay, we was in this uptrend. We made a low, a higher low, but we closed out below this low. So it's a change. That's a change in state here. That's a change in state here. Boom, close out below. Respected that. Boom, and continue lower. Yeah, that's this still look like a short to me. This still like a short to me. Yeah, bro. That's still like a short. Mm-mm. Yeah. What y'all see? I mean, this is gold, so I still see this going short. Maybe you see something different than me looking at this. I still see it. I can see it. I see it continuing lower. I thought it was in a buy at first because I was running my fib and I was running my levels, and I'm like, oh, okay, it came into my buying range. Then we loaned. But then when I started looking at it, this is a higher low right here. This candle, this red candle is a higher low, right? Downtrend, we making, what do we do in a downtrend? We make lower lows and higher and lower highs. Lower high, lower low. We in the uptrend, higher high, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, lower low, lower high, lower low. So I expect price to reject and continue lower. And we reject off the 350. We rejected off the 350, the quarter 350. Yeah, bro. I see it still continuing lower. Yeah. Mm-mm-mm. You got it running low. Yeah, I see. I appreciate your follow too, John. But yeah, I see it. I see it running lower too. Yeah, 3388 is high. Clutch, I appreciate the follow. You like gold over NQ? I like NQ over gold, but I still trade gold. Mm-mm. I'm gonna go up a little more. Yeah, even if it do go up a little more, that's fine. But I wouldn't expect it to go over this swing high. If because if it breaks a swing high, what is that? That's a change of state. But just looking at it, like I was just saying, if you just look at price and what price has done, right? When the price is in the sale, lower lows, lower highs, right? That's what we did in the sale. Boom. When price broke above this swing high here, boom. That's a change in state, right? But a lot of people don't even know this right here is inducement. All of this right here, this is inducement right here. This is accumulation. So we accumulated, manipulated, and distributed back higher. But even right here, okay? A higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Then boom, we closed out. We closed below. Then we made a lower low here. Boom, lower high, lower low, lower low, lower high. I'm expecting price to make a lower low. I'm at least expecting price to continue back lower down to 310, but I'm targeting back down to 3250. But even if price go down, you can be targeting. I'll at least be targeting 310 or at least 330 again. No. Inducement, yep. It's inducement. A lot of people don't even know that shit. Here, and look, this how you see it when you go to the lower time frame. And I didn't see it. I didn't see it earlier. And then I looked at it again. I said, bro, that's inducement. So watch this. We're gonna mark that out. This is the daily. So we're gonna go to a 4 hour. Look at this. What is this? What is this? Equal highs, equal lows. And what do we do? Bro, I'm telling you, bro. Once you, even if you just learn AMD, you're gonna be good. Accumulation. Look at this. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution, back higher to take out the equal highs. Just like that. Boom. So we accumulated, manipulated, distributed. Then after we distribute, we usually have a immediate reversal. So price is gonna fall back down. You can mark out your FVG here. Boom. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution, immediate reversal. Right into the FVG. But look, on the 4 hour, it's like, okay, yeah. Like on the 4 hour, it looks like it's gonna continue long. Oh yeah, it respected the FVG. Well, it hasn't respected. I mean, I guess you could say it didn't. I will go to my daily. Okay, boom. Boom, turn bullish. Yeah, because this is a bearish order. This is a bearish FVG. Damn, this is a bearish FVG at first, then it turned bullish. Yeah. But even though this FVG turned bullish, if I'm just looking at price action, this is the candle I would expect it to make the higher low. I would expect this red candle to be down here, like creating a higher low. Boom, then high. But we didn't. We broke that, creating a lower low. Yeah. Yep, power through. I'm on a daily. Press, I appreciate your follow. Check EU. The hell is that? Dark chocolate. What the hell? I appreciate your follow. EU. You talking about Euro USD? I'll be nice and look at it. I'm guessing you want my opinion on it. Look, I won't be an asshole today. I'll be nice. But look at this. Just looking at, I'm on a monthly right here. Look at this shit. What did we just do? This is accumulation. We manipulated lower, taking out the low. What did we do? Only thing we did right here was go right into this FEG here. Bro, this shit becoming really easy to read, bro. Accumulation, manipulation into the fair value gap, distribution back higher. I will be waiting for immediate reversal after it's done distributing. But I don't know how. I think Euro USD moves slower, if I'm not mistaken. So we're gonna read price from left to right. What do I have? I have an order block here. Accumulation manipulation. Oh shit. It look like Euro USD gonna come back up and take out these highs. It's like, oh, we already up here. This can be the rejection now. But it looked like we could take out these high right here. But let me run my levels too. Okay. So you got a bearish order block here. So I would be looking for a reversal soon. But let's see how far they're gonna run up. Okay. Oh my god, this shit is too easy, bro. I will be looking for a reversal right here. Back to the downside on Euro USD. I'll be waiting for price to reverse here. If price wanna if they wanna run up on liquidity and wanna take out this high here, boom, then I will be looking for a reversal here. But I would think they come to the 200 here, taking out this high. They might take it all out in one sweep. You know, so they could come up here. Hold on, I can't find my tool, bro. Where's the path to it, bro? Okay, so they might do something like this. Then reverse down. But if they just want to take out these highs here, then you'd be looking for that. But if you get a bullish candle, a green candle that close out above here on your higher time frame, then they're going to take it to the 261, then reverse. This is like inducement here. So you don't run a fib here. This is inducement here. So what they probably gonna do, they might sweep the sales side back into this FE. Dude, this shit is too fucking easy. This is exactly what the fuck they gonna do. Bro, I'll put money on this shit. What the fuck they gonna do? Okay. They probably gonna sweep. If this is inducement, we can go. This is on the monthly. If this is inducement, what do we have? We got this FEG down here. Okay. Then we got this buying range. We got this FEG down here. Then we have the buying range. So, okay. So it's a couple things that they can do. If they manipulate higher, out of this inducement, they're going to run it to the 200% or they're going to run it up to the 261%, then they're going to drop it. If they manipulate lower, I don't know how Euro USD move, but if they like big moves like I'm seeing, they're going to come back down until they're going to sweep the sell side, but they're going to come right here. They're going to come right here. That would be your entry. That would be your maximum entry. But if you want to play safe, they're going to come right here. They're going to come right here. Boom. They're going to come right between this zone. Bro. And it's an FEG right here. Yeah. So I will be banking on it coming right here. It's going to pull back. I was having limit orders here. So I won't chase price or anything. At least I wouldn't. I would look for price to do this. Boom. Then boom. That's if they sweep the sell side. But if they don't sweep the sell side and they sweep the buy side, they're going to run it up. Boom. Then they're going to reverse it, bro. That's what I see, bro. And this is all on a monthly. Look at this shit. What I say? Inducement. This is on the weekly. This is on the daily. Look at the. So yeah, I see how EU like to move this shit. But. Okay. So this is a different story. If you're not playing that accumulation, right? Because we're in an accumulation. If you're not playing the accumulation, Here it is right here. This shit too easy, bro. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Yep. They did a deep retracement on here. Boom. They did a 461 retracement. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Did I run it? This is what's getting me here. Hold on. Let me draw a box around it. Hold on. This is the accumulation here. Accumulation, manipulation higher, distribution back lower, immediate reversal, accumulation again. Okay. So that's what they did. Then they went back into accumulation here. I most definitely like looking at this on like the weekly or the monthly. The weekly or the monthly. Yeah, bro. It's a lot cleaner on the weekly or the monthly. Hell, bro, I bet you I'm right. I will put money on that shit. I know I'm, bro. I know I'm right. That's what I would be looking for. Yeah, bro. Ooh, then when you go to your monthly, we can see how high they gonna run up. Oh my God, I know I'm fucking right. I know I'm right. Bro, look at that. Look at the same zone. Right between my 63 and 88. This is why I have my fib levels the way I fucking do. Look at this shit. You catch the move every time. Boom. On they ass, bro. We on they ass. We on they ass, bro. Alright, that's Euro USD. I'm done looking at that. No, that was Euro USD. I was being nice. So there you go. Euro USD. That's not distribution. That's accumulate. What you looking at? I'll go back to it too, just to see what you're looking at. I'm making profits on my live account. Yeah. I like XRP. What's the word, Dylan? I don't even know if you're still in here, but what's the word? Chris, I appreciate your follow. Don, I appreciate you too. I like Top Step. I trade Nas. I trade gold. I trade GBP, USD. I think yeah, that's basically it. I traded a little Bitcoin. I'm never trading that shit again, bro. Bitcoin took all my profit, bro. Bitcoin literally gave me an uppercut, bro. I haven't tried Alpha. I haven't heard anything about Alpha. All right, that's enough Euro USD, bro. You ain't gonna say thank you, bro. This is why I don't help out no more, bro. Like I know I don't ever get a thank you, bro. Like that's why I don't be marking up shit no more, bro. Niggas be ungrateful, bro. On me, bro. I'm gonna start marking up shit for y'all. Let me look at my thing, my gold trade. Gold hasn't moved too much, but I'm up a dollar. I'm up $1.50 on it. So I caught the sale down yesterday to to 330. Here, let me see if I can pull up my position. Hmm. Here we go. All right. So I caught the sale yesterday. I got in 344.19. 344.19. So I got in here and I took that sale down to 330. I took it to here. Then I should have set a limit buy here, so I should have been in that limit buy, but I re-entered for that sale. Try it out. Can get 15K payouts on advanced accounts weekly. Okay, that's what's up. That's what's up. Man, I had to see what it's about. I'm gonna be back on my combine September 1st. I'm gonna get another one. Mm-hmm. Feeling something that you couldn't disguise. I know I'm so original. I'm just kind of just reading gold price action. It's just one of those spots where, it's kind of weird. Gold is just so much better to look on at a higher time frame on your daily. You know, as you saw, original. I wouldn't consider this in. I wouldn't consider this. I wouldn't consider this inducement. Well, but it already completed itself, so it would have been something like this: accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Okay, accumulation, manipulation, distribution, immediate reversal. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution, immediate reversal. Accumulation. Holy shit! I just figured it out. Yeah, yeah. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution back lower. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Just follow price from left to right. Yeah, bro. I still like that sale on gold. You get zero count. Oh wow. A zero count? I've never even heard of that. Yeah, that's what's up. Alpha. I have to look into that. Right on for letting me know. I'll look into it. I usually just do like Top Step. to know. Yeah, hopefully that makes some sense to y'all. Y'all see what I'm looking at, bro. I'm gonna go back to Nas. I'm taking Nas back long. Mm-mm-mm-mm. 7940 count. That's not bad. Oh, you got an ST? Damn, bro, I miss my ST now. Yeah, I'm in a long-term loan. I don't. I'm not. I don't care about the daily buys. Nas is still long, even though the. Yeah. Hmm. Like if you was session traded it, then yeah, you could have took your short. But I'm swing trading it. So when today's short was my entry for my entries for my long, right into my zone. Look at the rejection right off my zone, and I'll show you where I entered in too, so you can see it and where it reversed. Mary long, like swing. I'm swing trading, so it could take 3 days, 4 days. It could take a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. I just know price is going back. Oh, you got an ST too? Damn. Yes, sir. Is that a Focus? Yeah, I had a big turbo Focus ST. I got a car page too. I don't post on it because I don't got my ST anymore. But yeah, I had a pop. I had a Stratified pop tune on there. Damn, I missed my ST, bro. You got a big turbo? Good shit. WST gang. WST gang. I mean, look, now I want to pull up a picture of my ST. My old ST. If I can, I gotta find one. Damn, man, I miss my ST. Ever had his issues? That's why I don't have it. Yeah, I'm swinging nice long, bro, like a motherfucker. And I'll show you my. I kind of just shows y'all. I kind of just shows y'all my levels. Oh, my Nas entry here. I'm gonna show you the. I'm gonna go back to the ST in a second. So I got a limit order down here, but this is where I caught Nas. I caught that goofy ass entry one, entry one, entry two. Then I got another entry here, a small entry here. So these are my entries: entry one, entry two, another one here, and that's off my fib levels. This is a whole buying range. This is a long. This is a swing buying range. And what am I targeting? 24,000, 25,000. Yeah, I'm targeting. Nigga, my moves be 1,000 fucking points. Oh God, I hate the wheel. Okay, sorry. What did I do? I had a stratified pop tune and I never turned it off. That's I had a stratified pop tune and I was fucking big turbo and never turned my fucking tune off. Make sure if you get your car, if you get your ST tune, make sure you go to like. I went to like Panda Motorworks. If, I know y'all probably know Panda Motorworks, but I fucking hate them. I hate their prices. I hate everything. They overprice on everything. But but go to an actual like tune, like get like an actual physical like person to tune your car. Yeah, bro, that pop tune will fuck up your ST, bro. If you don't turn it, I had an extreme pop tune too. What's your Are you catless too? Like I'm sure. Yeah, if you big turbo, then you gotta be cat full thing. Big intercooler, catless. Yeah. Here, I'm a player. I got an audio on my ST. Yeah. Yeah, that was mine. Yours not like that? Oh yeah, my shit was. Yeah, bro, my shit was ripping, bro. Damn, I missed my ST, bro. Damn, dude. Yeah, my shit was tangerine too. The tangerine screen color. Focus ST3. Then I bought some rims for them too. Fuck. Yeah, bro, just be careful. I say just keep really good care of your ST, bro. Cause what's crazy is on my way back home from work, I saw two STs on the side of the road. I guess one ST was down and it was like they was together, but an ST was down on the side of the road, bro, and they was working on it. STs are man, I love them, bro, but I don't know if I buy another one. My ST is stock besides, yeah, the Fiesta, bro, you should be okay. Yeah, but if you get a tune, like get an actual good tune, like months owning it, no. I had my ST for 2 years, but it was like it was 1 year. It was literally 1 year. Well, I had my ST probably yeah 2.5 years, two and a half years. But for like a year straight, I didn't even drive. I couldn't even like drive my ST. I had to get a new head gasket. I blew a head gasket. Then got it fixed. Still problems. Had to get a new engine for the car. Got the car back running fine. Still problems. Then I ran into like electrical issues on it to where like my car was like stuttering like when I take off, say you foot pedal to the metal, like pedal to the floor, like it'll like that's what my ST sounded like when I was pedal to the floor. It was just like it was weird, like it was stuttering and like really jittery. Yeah, dude, it just never got right after that head gasket issue. The ST like it never. How do I blow my head gasket? A fucking pop tune. Not having a good tune on your car. Your engine blew. What exactly did happen? Caused that starting to see lower oil pressure. It just happened. Like not having a good tune. Like if you're not tuned by actual, like get a good tune. Like don't get a flash tune like I did. I was on a flash tune. Or if you do, like if you do, like do not run it. Don't run it every day. Like don't run the tune every day. So don't be constantly popping like me. Like you heard my shit. So I was constantly popping. I've had mines for about 9 years. Yeah. Oh my goodness, 9 years. Oh, and it's still stock. Oh yeah, bro. You keeping really good care of that Fiesta, bro. You haven't bought a new transmission or anything like that for your Fiesta, bro? You on E85 too? Oh fuck, bro. I hope your HT paid off. How long have you had? How long? How many miles and how long have you had your ST in what year? I'm sorry. Yeah. So how many miles? How long? And what year? Shit, I hope your ST paid off, bro. And is it the Focus? You got a Focus ST too? Let me have to click on your page, bro. Hell yeah, you got a Focus ST3 2013? Nigga, you're fucked. Oh, keep good care of your fucking ST, bro. 3 months had. Nigga, you fucked. Oh, fuck. Holy shit, bro. I don't want. I'm about to be honest. Look, I'm gonna be honest with you, bro. Like I'm gonna be honest with you, bro. Nigga, you're fucked. Oh, you fucked. But nah, I'm just saying. You paid off though. You chilling, bro. Don't even worry about it then. Hell yeah, you chilling. I'm sure. Like I hope that shit paid off. Cause that shit not paid off, you're fucked. Especially if you're not keeping good care of it. Like keep up with, change the fluids on it. Don't run your tune all the time. Like you can have E85, but yeah, you chilling. If it's paid off, I just engine swap that hoe. But when you engine swap it, remember to get your electricals like re I don't know if it's like retuned, but it's something. Make sure you get your like electricals and like engine recalibrated. Cause I didn't, and that's what was fucking up my car. So I didn't realize the issue. I didn't realize that was the issue until I sold my ST. But if I like right when I sold my ST, I was like, bro, my dad called me. He was like, I know what the problem was. When you engine swapped it, you never got your electricals like recalibrated or like engine recalibrated. It was something, bro. But do that. Make sure you do that if you do an engine swap. Paid off car is the best feeling. Nah, for real. Yeah, I was able to get my ST back up and running to be able to sell it. I sold it, bro. I sold my ST where I live now. They didn't even like. I didn't even have the ST with me. My ST was back at home. But I sold my ST. They didn't even look at it. They just saw pictures and stuff. Heard it running. Saw pictures. Everything. Oh yeah, we gave you 10,000 for it. I was like 10,000. My shit was a 2016 ST3 and it had like 160,000 miles on it. Should you sell your SC? No. If it's paid off, hell no. Just keep good care of it. Yeah, just keep care of it, bro. Don't sell it. But just you know, learn from my mistake. Don't run your tune all the time. And if you don't get a flash tune, like do not get a flash tune, especially because you fucking big turbo, bro. Big turbo E85, a little pop tune, nigga, you fucked. You're fucked. From my experience, bro, you're fucked. Unless you get an actual tune, not a flash tune, get an actual tune, and you keep up with your fluids in there, then you will be good. Jaden, I appreciate your follow. What time is it for you? It's 8:09 p.m. I was lagging. Fuck. I'm keeping mine forever. LOL got SC3 with the heated seats and sunroofs. Oh yeah. On me, Blake. Keep yours. Keep it, especially if it's paid off. That's the best feeling. Paid off ST or paid off anything is nice. But yeah, I was just saying, keep up with your fluids and don't get a flash tune. Like especially because you big turbo E85. From my experience, from having a Focus ST, and mind you, I had a 2016. You have a 2013. Nigga, you're fucked. You're fucked. Keep care of it. Get an actual tune, especially because you big turbo too. And don't get pops like mine. My pops were so loud. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, go like a week or so. Like, give yourself some periods where you just okay. I'm just cooling. Like, you still E85, but you can still go back a little like a I don't remember the tune things. Like, I don't remember the exact name of like the tunes. But you know how you got like the different tune packages. Like you could turn your like if you got your cob, you could turn you could turn it back to like a tune one or tune two tune stage. Oh yeah, like rock around instead of doing the full stage three. With you shit nigga, you stage four. Go back, you know what I'm saying? Cruise around, just stage two for a minute. Yeah, I'm in Nas and GBP in gold. Nas GBP in gold. Sorry, I got sidetracked. Some people in here got some STs. Yeah, bro. Dang, I miss my ST, bro. Yeah, I'm still trading live. I'm still on my live. Yeah. I'll be back on my combine. I plan on going back the first, September 1st. Yeah. So that sale like today, it might have been like a sale for you, but that sale for y'all was a buy. Excuse me, was a buy for me. And that's how I got in there. But yeah, my fault. I got sidetracked, y'all. All right. But yeah, it's good seeing some other ST people in here, man. We be getting hate out there. The ST community be getting all the hate. We be getting hate out there. Those guys think they're fucking fast, dude. Dude, not fucking smoking in my 5 The STs get down though, especially when you got big turbo in that hoe. The Fiesta get down too. I mean, you should tune, bro. You should get your, bro. You should tune your Fiesta. What's my entries? Yeah, you should build your Fiesta, bro. Of course, if you got like another car or two, like if you in a good spot, bro, I would slowly build it. On my Nas, I got in entry one, 2320, entry two, 23,107. Then I got another small entry at 23,169. But I'm swing trading it long. I'm swing trading it long. So be careful. Like if you session trading, you have to pay more attention to what happened to your session. Because if it's a session, price can still go down. But I'm not worried about that. I still know in the long run of my play, I'm expecting it to go back higher. That's what I'm expecting. I'm expecting price to go back higher. Oh my God. Even just look at this right here. This is accumulation right here. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Hold on. Let me go back on trading view. Yeah, man. I know I'm right. I know what the hell I'm looking at, man. Here we go. Here we go. Yep, accumulation. Then let's see how far they drove price down, right? They went right down. Where'd they go? They went to the 400%. Dang, they did a really deep retracement. So I would have lost this trade here because I would have got in probably here. I would have had to pair with some levels, of course, but I probably looking at it, I probably would have got in right there and got wiped out the first time. Then I would have waited for the retracement back down to the order block. Yeah. I didn't even see that manipulation at first. I still caught I still caught him too. Here we go right here. Boom. You have to run all your levels. Yeah. That's how I got in this play. You could take it right back up. If you want to play it safe, you can play it long to here. You can play it long right to where my Nas symbol at. Right into this box. But that's if you swing trading. But I'm swing trading this to the 2,500. 25,000. I've been trading for 7 months now. Thinking about, yeah, I think that's a good idea. But since it's paid off and everything good, then you could just Like you said, slowly build it. You don't gotta buy everything at one time. You can just slowly build. YouTube University. Jaden, I appreciate your roses too. Learn off YouTube. Then I got blessed one of my lives, and there's a guy who decided to mentor me. So he helped me out too. But yeah, before that just happened my fifth month. So I've been knowing him for a month, almost 2 months. Yeah, about 2 months now. And he really helped me as well. I'm in the swing alone. My start is a mixture. It's a mix of different things. Chordus theory, fib, no volume notes, a little ICT to include in like fair value gaps, order blocks. Yeah. I use standard deviation on my fib. But my fib is a lot more advanced than a lot of other people's. You see how I trade it just. I mean, the people who be watching me, they see how I work my fib. But right by my side. Like the way that I have my fib, like just look at how I'm like just look at what I'm doing and where my entries are, and it will make sense. Just and I always say like back test it yourself. So this is my fib. I have multiple levels on my fib. Look at my fib. I have multiple levels on my fib, and every level represent everything represents something, depending on how I run my fib. So my entry zone, my premium, my discount zone, my entry zone is between my 63 and my 88, right? So even just take price to what prices did. I mark out my 63 and 88. What does price go back into? My 63 and 88. And what does it do? It rejects from it. So I can run my fib to catch entries. I can run my fib to catch the manipulation phase. So say if you got like a accumulation AMD whatever, I can run my fib to pinpoint how long the manipulation phase is going to be. I could run my fib for my take profit zones, and I could pinpoint my fib to know where the reversal is going to be at. So where how long are they going to run price before they reverse? So those are four different things I can do with my fib. So my standard deviation field would be more my my reversal. How far are they going to run on liquidity before they reverse? Then if I run my fib, I know what I'm looking here. Okay. If I was to look for a bounce, what am I looking for? Right? I'm looking between my 63 and 88 zone. Then you pair it up, and this is where your fair value gaps and order blocks come in. Okay. This is your man. I need to stop teaching this shit, but I'll be nice. Right here. So right between my 63 and 88, you pair it up, and what do you pair it up with? You pair it up with an order block and a fair value gap. Now look at it. Like I'm not even gonna move my zone. Just look. So if I mark out my fair value gap, I'm gonna mark out the 50. I know a lot of people like the 50%, right? The institutions know that shit, bro. But here go to 50%. Heard. Let me actually keep that box there, but change the color. FEG. Okay, so this is that fair value gap, right? Where's my order block? Order block right here. Just look at price. I don't even gotta explain it. You could look at it and look and see what it's doing. Right. Boom. So this is that zone. This is my buy zone. And what do we have? We have a fair value gap. We have a order block, and this is my buying zone. So anything in this zone, I'll be looking for a small retracement back lower. After it moves up, I was expecting for a little bounce. Then I was expecting a little. I would be expecting price to create a lower high if it's in a sale. So I would be expecting price to. I always lose my tool. I'll be looking for price to. You know, continue lower or find support right here. But yeah, that's how I work that fib. It's all confluence together. So when people ask how did you bottom ticket or top ticket or know it was gonna reverse without how did you know it was gonna reverse there? Okay, so I'll show you how I caught my entries on display. What time frame? This is on the daily. Noel, I appreciate your follow. So on this time frame, what do? Don't even look to the right. We're not even gonna look to the right, right? What is my zones? What are my zones that I said? My 63 and 88. We're not even gonna look to what price is doing now. I read my fib from order block to order block. Okay. Once you get better at your fib, you will know exactly where to run your fib from. This is inducement here. Equal highs and lows. You don't run your fib there. If you go to a lower time frame, what is it? What is this? Inducement. Equal highs and equal low. You don't run your fib there unless you're looking for the manipulation phase. There's different ways to run your fib in areas, but I'm not running an entry fib on an inducement. You don't run an entry fib on an inducement. So what do? I run from my order block low to the high. Okay. Me knowing inducement anyway, I know price likes to sweep inducement. It can run up for a while, then come sweep it, but price usually like to sweep inducement. Just think about AMD accumulation. Accumulation and manipulates to a side, then it comes and sweeps it. Right. So this is inducement. Accumulation. We manipulate to the upside. What do we reject? Accumulation to the upside. This is a quarters theory too. Look, bro. Just off my quarters theory, it bounced right off one of my quarters on my quarter theory. That's why I'm catching it as every time. Then it reverses. It reverses. We're gonna follow it. It sweeps our inducement here. Okay. I'll be looking here. Like, okay, what's it doing? But let's go down to my zone. My 63 and my 88 zone. And what did price do? Price rejected from it. And you pair it. I got an order block, a big ass order block. Even if you do this. But you got your order block here. I got an order block here. I got an FEG here. And even if I go to my 4 hour, Let's look at what price did. Look at it. We got an order block. You pair with an order block and an FVG. Look at it. We got an order block, and what else do we have? An FVG. And that's how I'm playing it. That's how I play it. And that's just how I play the video game. I don't know how you play the video game, but that's how I play it. Catching them every time, bro. If you trade during this time, wouldn't it make sense to find a pair that's more volatile in edge of session? Yes, if I was session trading, but I'm not session trading or day trading. I'm swing trading. So a swing trade isn't. I'm not basing it off a session. I'm basing it on overall price action because I'm looking to catch. I'm looking to catch the swing trade, not the day trade. Yep. But if I was session trading, yeah, then I would look at what my Asia session is doing. I would look at what my New York session did, what my Asia session did. So this how I will play a session. So you reprice from left to right. So these are my sessions right here. My yellow is my Asia session. My green is my London. Green is my New York. So we look and see what price did. Bro, this shit too easy, bro. Accumulation, manipulation. We distribute it back higher. Bro, just look at this shit. Accumulation, manipulation. Then we distribute it back to the buy side. Then we had a immediate reversal. Now, what am I looking for after that? I'm looking for another accumulation. I'm looking for it to reset. Think about your Power 3 or AMD. It's all, it resets. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Okay? Boom. What did we do? Just look at what we did. What is this? Accumulation. I mean, if you want to be more precise, it's this. This is the accumulation here. And we ain't gonna even look at what price did to the right. We just gonna mark it up. Okay? We accumulated. This is our Asia session. And that's why people like, dang, the Asia session so slow. Yeah, because your Asia session is usually the accumulation phase. So price is usually finding a balance. So we had accumulation. What did we do? We manipulated to the manipulated to the sell side, taking out the lows. Then what did we do? What are we looking for now? I'm looking for a distribution. Back where? Back to the buy side. And if you in a session trade, like if I was session trading, I would be I would be taking profit here. But since I'm swing trading, motherfucker, I'm catching a 1,000, 2,000 point move on this. I'm up at 25,000, 24,000, 25,000. It wasn't necessarily identifying I was like technically a swing trader. I day trade only if I'm in a combine, because if you're in a prop firm or combine, you can only day trade. Like you can't necessarily swing trade it. I mean, because you have to, all your trades close out at a certain time, so you're only able to day trade it. But when I transfer it to my live account, I'm able to let my trades run. So imagine I know a lot of y'all got like really good, you get a really good entry, then like you got to take a quick profit. The next thing you know, like that whole month, like or that whole week, prices rips in that direction that you had. You're like, dang, what if I was able to have that trade running? That's what I do on my live account. So on my live account, I'm able to swing trade, and on a prop firm, I'm able to session trade it. So I'm able to do both. But I like swing trading a lot more though. I like swing trading way more than I do session trading. Onyx, I appreciate your follow. Bum, bum, bum. But yeah, and that's how you look at it. Are you in a trade right now? Yeah, I'm in some swing trades right now. Nas, GBP, and Gold. Wait, wait. You bought your card and it never popped. Now it does, bro. Wait. So did you buy your car already, like with the big turbo and everything on it? Because if it didn't pop before, then it wasn't a pop tune on it, and your car is now. That means it's misfiring. Your car is misfiring. If you never put a tune on, if you never put a pop tune on a car on your car and it didn't pop before, now it's popping. Okay, like was it popping before and you just didn't notice it was popping, or you know it wasn't popping and now it's popping? Ask yourself that too, because if it was like if you know your car never popped, like you revving in it don't pop, and now it's popping, your car is misfiring. He said, he said, what that? But it runs absolutely fine. Ah, it's either misfiring or there's like that's a misfire to me, bro. Like it can misfire but still feel fine. And I got a video when I bought it. Homie revved it like 6K and never popped. And now, okay, does it pops on its own now? You just driving and it be popping? Does this ever like? Oh shit! I'm thinking it's a misfire. It can be a misfire. It could be the tune up. Like you could maybe need new spark plugs maybe. Yeah, you could just need like some new spark plugs. hmm But that sounds like a misfire. You can even ask ChatGPT, but I think that's a misfire. into that, bro. Especially if you didn't like add any new parts to it or anything like that. I will look into that to make sure that everything is okay. But yeah, 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 girl. Yeah, 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 girl. Took it to mechanic, had a fully inspected engine and suspension. Yeah, okay. Then you should be okay. That's weird though, bro. Yeah, that's weird, bro. I'll just keep paying attention to it. Maybe maybe like the parts probably just had a little bit more time to break in, and now it's kind of like popping a little bit. But I'll just pay attention. Hold on. I'll be right back. I'll just change this on too. But right on, I'm noticing when the car warm and good, I'm at like a quarter and under the oil on the oil pressure gauge. Yeah, you could, bro. That sounds like a misfire or a fuel issue. Like it sound like either a misfire or you or like you're getting oil in your downpipe, which causing it to pop. What's up, DMP? My trader been doing good. Been running up my live account. All right. When I bought it, it was always half. Hmm. Yeah, check your dip. On me, good stuff, DMP. Good stuff. On me, putting in that work. Good stuff. Just slowly trucking. Everything just slow right now. Everything just slowly moving. Let's look at GBP. That GBP in that range too, man. I've been nothing on the time at all. I get on that kind of feel. Yeah, this is the distribution phase here. I'm still looking for it to extend longer. Where did I draw that accumulation? Okay. I'm gonna love it, but you're so gone. Yeah. What number is that? 133927. Yeah, I still expect this to long. Yeah. Yeah. See how that fucking field worked? Right at the 200. Yeah. I expected it to go long. Oh. I guess it's fine. But this is GBP. Yeah, I still see the long on here. Hell yeah. This shit gonna come and take out up here. I'm about to show you too. We just ran that fib. But what is this right here? What does that look like to y'all right here? This look like inducement to me. That look like accumulation to me. if it drop, it's coming right down here. Man, this is a change in state though. If anything under this low is it's going back lower. But this is right where this FEG at. Mm-hmm. Look at this. You can't get under this low for me. It can take this low, but I'm gonna need it to extend out of here. Yeah. Like at least it wick down here. Boom. Boom. I don't like the drawdown on this. Sweat up cause I'm not down. She's in her pocket because I let her who do it better. Alright. Y'all wanna see something marked up? No, the market not closed. 10, I appreciate the rose. Yeah, I already marked everything up that I see. Like I don't see nothing. I'm not seeing nothing that's making me like change my position or anything, or it's just like I just gotta wait for my plays to play out. That's all I see right now. Just waiting for my plays to play out. Do it She was in her pocket because I let her do it. She really down. You would have had to be in and out. Man, that GBP is annoying, bro. Yeah, everything just slow moving right now. It's just one of those days of sessions. It's just one of those days. Price going long, bro. time. Look at all this liquidity. Man, this stuff is wicky. Yeah, I don't got nothing else I want to mark up. Everything look good. Yeah, we looking good. Mm-mm-mm-mm. I could pull it up right here. I could see it out right here. It's kind of hard to see. Okay. Yeah, look at price action. Yeah, I'm gonna take a picture of this. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Is that yeah? I yeah. I was thinking along yesterday, but when I re-looked at gold, because I was looking at gold like this yesterday with that bounce. But when I look at price action, like I just had it up, we had a change in structure right here. So I re-entered back into that sell. Okay. Yeah, I still see a sale on here. Not a sale, I'm at a long. Wait, let's go down to a weekly. Damn, why this shit like a sale, bro? No, accumulation. This GBP really got me thinking right now. I ain't gonna fake it. Yeah, like everything looking like a sale. Yeah, I'm gonna be watching GBP. Yeah, I'm gonna be watching GBP. It kind of got me thinking right now. I don't know. I don't have a clear analysis on GBP. Mm-hmm. I don't know, man. GBP, I can't like. I don't know. still look like we reversed. Yeah. I want to see how price reacts there. Yeah. I'm just gonna be watching GBP. But alright. I think I might be done. I might be done for the night, y'all. Hold on, I'm gonna look at gold one more time. I'm gonna look at gold, then I think I might be done. Oh yeah, price most definitely gonna come here. Hell, hell, just go in there, man. 32.50. Alright, yeah, that's what I see. Alright, I think I might be done for the night. How you like that? Oh, how you like that? Oh, how you like that? Oh, how you dancing, how you like that? How you like that? This in the bag, I get it right back. This is all the way. This is all this is all way. Catch a case, yeah. My use it, stay, yeah. Use a poo poo, but I use it, stay, yeah. Stay, yeah. Use it, stay, yeah. Oh yeah, Shaz, I can't make your body. Yeah, stop loss summon right here. Take profits down here. Okay, that's what I see. And you like that? How'd you like that? I just met Eddie on a. I mean, how she hate me. All right, y'all. I appreciate y'all joining. Um, shit. All my links and stuff is in my bio. If you need me, you know where to find me. Just text me on TikTok or just text me on Discord or whatever. But yeah, I got a couple things that I'm working on. So I hope to be coming out with like a little free little course or some sort soon. And yeah, after even though I'm making profit on my live account, I want to pass my combine before I start a mentorship because I know how like, I know how like people see that as very like important in the trading community, like getting that certificate. So I want to pass my combine, then I would start a mentorship. But I want to create like a little free little course of some sort. So yeah, I got a lot of different things that I want to do too. But yeah, I appreciate y'all. I appreciate the love. I appreciate the support. Again, just text me if you need me. I appreciate the roses today too. I appreciate that. Then yeah, I love every single one of y'all, and just stay along for the ride. Then yeah, I catch y'all later. I catch y'all probably Monday. It'll probably be Tuesday. Probably catch y'all. It'll probably be Tuesday. I'll try to do a lot Monday. I'll be traveling, so it'll probably be Tuesday. I get a live in. Yeah, we'll see. What's the word, Barkley? If anything, I'd probably do like an early Monday or early morning stream Monday or something. What's the word?